We're here today at Sonax Canada at the Experience and Training Center. I'm here with Zook over from Tooth Autosport and Carson, our master detailer from Sonax Canada. We're here today to go over the details of how we prep a car for the 2022 season. Zook, tell us a little bit about the car.
So this is the new Audi TCR car they just released. It's the 2022 Audi Sport RS3 LMS. And we are the first ones to get these in North America, and this is our first car. We have another car that's at our facility at Calabogie.
Just for our viewers, so we basically are going to go over this vehicle. Because it's a brand new vehicle, there's not a lot of cleanup involved. So a lot of it's all about protection. And the reason why we protect a race car, first off, Sonax has a lot of pedigree with racing. So it's a perfect match between Sonax and the Tooth Racing team. And secondly, is to make the vehicle so that it performs better on track, looks better for the sponsors, and has an easier process to get it ready between races and race weekends.
Yep.
So we're going to be applying a number of key products here, mainly on the protection side, a little bit of cleanup, and then we're going to go over at the end a little bit about how we're going to maintain the vehicle throughout the season. So let's kick this off and let our master detailer Carson get on the vehicle and showing how Sonax products work.
So these are the products we're going to be using today. We're going to start off with Actifoam for a deep clean. This is a car shampoo, wheel cleaner, insect cleaner in one, followed by our Wheel Plus to make sure the rims are as clean as they can possibly be. Engine clean to get all the dust and everything off, and oils and lubricants. Then we're going to be coating it with CC1, which is a single step hybrid coating. We're going to be protecting the wheels to make sure the rubber comes off very easy. This is a 6-week protection. Our maintenance side is going to be our ceramic detailer. This gives you 2 months protection. We're going to use interior cleaner to clean off the Sparco seat to keep it looking its best. Dashboard to keep all the dust off. This is a matte finish so it won't reflect onto the windshield. We're going to be using the Alcantara cleaner to clean the steering wheel and the seat to keep it looking its best. And our glass cleaner, which is no ammonia, will protect it and safe on all tint.
So Carson, we're going to use this Actifoam here. What's the benefit of using this?
Well, using Actifoam, everything's about time and efficiency. This is going to make it the fastest to get the job done looking its best. So you're going to apply this with a foam cannon. Instead of using a 2-bucket method, the soap's going to be already on the car. We're going to give it a quick rinse off, clean your sponge in the fresh water, and then keep cleaning.
That sounds great. But I have another query here. You're not going to be doing this trackside though.
No.
Right, this is just a one-time prep? Yes, excellent. Okay. And the wheel cleaner here, Wheel Cleaner Plus we have.
This is a very strong formulation, but it's still neutral. We want to make sure the rims are as clean as they can be. There's no rubber sticking to it, and they're looking its best for each race afterwards. So on race cars, they have aluminum hats. This is a non-acid product, so it's not going to damage any of the components on the race car. It's safe but effective.
And this engine cleaner here, Carson, I'm assuming we don't use this often, but it's great for one-time maintenance.
It's going to be what we use, what you use actually.
Yeah.
Every time you bring the race car back from a long, hard weekend of racing, the fumes get built up and everything. We want to clean it and make sure it's the best.
And here we have our hybrid coating.
Yes, this is a new product, CC1. It's a hybrid coating. It's powered by SI Carbon, which is a new product, which makes it more hydrophobic, more of a buttery, slippery feel than most predecessors. This is a 1 year to 15-month coating, depending on where you live. And the reason why we're using this today is we can use this on vinyls and all the different textures that are elements on the car to make it easier to clean. The car will stay cleaner, the water will run off, the rubber on the tires will easily wipe off, and it's easy. It's a one-step coating.
So this is something we would do at the start of the season.
Yes,
and
once a year.
Will be good for the rest of the season to make the cleanup a lot easier.
Yes.
Perfect. That sounds really good. And here we have our protective rim sealant, which you can tell us more about.
So it's a protective rim sealant, literally a light mist of this on a cold rim. And this will be something you use back at the shop to make sure all the rubber doesn't stick, so it doesn't set off vibration inside the wheel from rubbers and all the marbles from the racetracks. And that'll be your normal maintenance side of it as well.
This would go on after we clean the wheels, yes?
When your rims are clean and dry.
And now we have our new Ceramic Ultra.
So this would be another maintenance side for you once you get back at the shop or in between races where you just want to give it a light spruce, take off the rubber marks, makes it very effortlessly with this product and CC1.
So here we have the dashboard cleaner. This is the matte finish.
Yep, it's also an anti-static, so it's going to stop the reflection of the dash coming up on the glass. The driver has got to be focused, coming up over hills and everything. The last thing you want to do is being blinded by reflections.
Nice. And here we have the Alcantara and Upholstery cleaner.
So yeah, this is a high-end cleaner, also for Alcantara, great for your race car steering wheels. We're using it also for cleaning the race car seat.
And finally, we have the most important part, the glass cleaner.
Yeah, it's ammonia-free. It's safe on all tints, safe on Lexan. For a lot of race cars, they have the plastic windows for weight savings and so forth. Works fantastic.
And safe on tint.
And safe on tint. So because we're shooting this video today, you're not going to be able to feel how soft and slippery this finish is going to be. So we're going to do a before and after. We're taking this bottle here and we're placing it on the car and comparing it tomorrow on how it's going to slip right off. So yesterday we were placing the bottle in the front of the car. Now that we got the CC1, it's had 4 hours to cure. Before we were putting it on this pitch angle, just to show you how slippery this is, because it all comes down to surface tension and the environments to come off the car easily. So now that we've seen how slippery the car is, let's do a water test to see how hydrophobic it is.